A Saranac man is headed to prison for causing a deadly accident near Lowell last summer. And this morning, Jacob Schulte was sentenced to 3 to 15 years for crashing into a motorcyclist on Grand River Avenue.
13 on your side's Kyle Lichter was in court with the family as family members talked about their loss.
It was a packed courtroom as Jacob Schulte was sentenced for a fatal summer crash in Lowell, one that the judge said he shouldn't have been behind the wheel for. It was a day Rick Hahn's family had been waiting for over 8 months.
My dad deserves so much more than what happened to him that day. And this is the only moment left where justice can speak for him.
The man behind the wheel, as their patriarch was killed, received his sentence.
Listen, that it doesn't matter how good of a person you are, whether you do everything you can to be safe, that there are people in this world that we don't even know that will make a selfish, stupid choice that will affect their whole lives.
Last July, Jacob Schulte was driving his Toyota Camry when he rear-ended Rick Hahn on his motorcycle near Lowell. Hahn was then pushed into another lane where he crashed with another car.
Just asking for some mercy, forgiveness. I'll be praying for that. I got to live with this the rest of my life. So I'm just sorry. I don't know what else to say.
Schulte pleaded guilty to operating with his license suspended, causing death, with a charge of operating under the influence, causing death, being dropped before sentencing. Although court documents say Schulte denied drinking any alcohol, he allegedly admitted to deputies to drinking 6 Coors Lights during the night and into the early morning. A blood draw from the day of the crash showed his BAC at .079 and also amphetamine and THC in his system.
His actions were not a momentary lapse or a simple mistake. They were a series of deliberate decisions that ignored the law and orders.
Hahn's daughters, Heather and Heidi, spoke in court, urging others to not make the same choices Schulte did.
I beg you to help my sister and I teach our children a different lesson, that justice is still alive and well, and that all choices have consequences that match the results of those choices.
Judge Christina Mims sentenced Schulte to 3 to 15 years in prison. Schulte does get 6 days credit for time served. In Grand Rapids, I'm Callie Lichter, 13 on your side.